To my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly go ahead and hit the subscription button. Hit the notification button so I'll be among the first to receive our videos whenever I upload new videos. Share this video with friends, family, and colleagues, loved ones, and help us to reach our minimum 1,000 plus subscribers as a way to support us. The disclaimer on this video is that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only sharing an opportunity that I came across that I'm taking advantage of, which I believe is very good. So before you can come into any business, you need to get a proper advice. Always invest what you can afford to lose. However, this opportunity is a very good one, decentralized, sustainable. Again, this opportunity is something that many people have taken advantage of it too, and it's working for them. Remember, cryptocurrency business is a very volatile business. You can make money very quickly, you can also lose money very quickly. So get properly advised before you jump into it. Now for today's video, what you're going to be hearing, this video is going to blow your mind. It will definitely blow your mind. There's never been as good as this before. Sustainable business built on the blockchain, decentralized. No one can claim ownership of it. You can go to the blockchain and do it right there. You can ignore the platform and go to the blockchain and do it right there. I'm sure you enjoy it as you listen. Welcome once more to my channel.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking for the best income system in 2022 and beyond, I highly recommend VITALIK'S to you, because VITALIK'S is a Web3 DeFi mining protocol that allows you to earn 2% minimum on daily basis for a duration period of 365 days, which means that your money works for you while you sleep. And what is the meaning of Web3? Web3 means the blockchain technology. And you know, the blockchain technology is a robot that works 24/7 non-stop. The blockchain technology is a private diary, a public diary that allows any code to run on it without having to worry about shutdown, worry about crash, worry about hack, or worry about any malicious activity. Why? Because once a good code is deployed there, it runs there forever, which means that VITALIK'S is a Web3 protocol that does not have any backdoor or vulnerability. This means that no hacker can hack VITALIK'S. No, even the owners cannot withdraw our funds. That's where you hear the name backdoor. So which means that our investment is under our control. It's for the first time of its kind where you do business in your Trust Wallet or Metamask without having to send your money to anybody. This is first of its kind. It's only Web3 that can do this. And you know, Web2, let me explain to you what Web2 is all about. We have always been doing business whereby we see a platform, we say, this is the best platform. But in real life respect, in as much as beautiful the platform might look, as long as you provide your email address, your name, your phone number, and some credentials, then at the end of the day, they tell you if you want to invest, you copy the wallet address or the bank account number of the company to pay into it. My dear brother, you have given your investment to someone else to manage it, which means that at the end of the day, whatsoever thing that happens to it, maybe when you place withdrawal and they refuse to pay you, just know that you have entered one chance, and that is Web2, which means centralization. Understand the difference between centralization and decentralization. Now, Web3 protocol is a decentralized way that you don't need to send your money to anybody. Once you click on withdrawal, the money comes automatically into your wallet because it has been programmed on top of the blockchain that this is how it is meant to work. So the events that take place like withdrawal, deposits, compound, all is automatic without the need of any human interference, without the need of a third party. So guys, don't be afraid of VITALIK'S. Invest your money right now to start earning passive income. And then the good thing again is that whatsoever amount of money you invest, apart of getting this 2% daily, if you decide to refer, you get a juicy 10% in your direct commission. So which means that you can take this business as your business, which means if you're a networker or an influencer, congratulations, because whosoever that invests using your link, you get 10% direct commission. And then there is also an amazing residual income, which means that once your direct referral refers somebody, you get an amazing you get an amazing 2%. And this does not stop there. In your third generation, you get 1%. That's the power of residual income. So you are earning in two ways in Vitalik's Kitchen. Number one way, through your passive income, 2% daily basis minimum. So from 2 to 8%. Then secondly, 10%, 2%, and 1% from your residual income. So guys, don't be afraid of Vitalik's Kitchen. So this is a 100% decentralized miner, which means that we are mining the most populous third largest cryptocurrency called BNB, Build and Build. That's the name of the coin. It's the native token of Binance Exchange, the largest exchange in the whole world, carrying over 100 million people, traders. And then this does not stop there. Ethereum, which is the second, the founder of Ethereum is called Vitalik. So you can see how powerful Vitalik's Kitchen is. So guys, let us take great advantage, and trust you me that 12 months from now, 2 years from now, you guys will be so happy we've really invested. You can see I'm a radical investor. So I've injected a lot of money because I know that yes, the business have come to stay as long as the blockchain technology exists. And if you look at their domain, you will get to know that yes, indeed, these guys are ready for business. So a 3 years plan, and then the owner said he's going to update from 3 years to 5 years. So guys, don't be afraid at all. So we are here to make the real money. Invest now.
Yeah, I've had it. I've had it all. That's what Vitalik's Kitchen is for you. I'm going to be leaving my referral link at the description of this video. Just take it and start. There's nothing to wait. The minimum investment is 0.05 BNB, which is less than $20 as I speak now. And now that there's a downward trend in crypto, this is the best time to invest. It will cost you less to invest, and as the crypto prices start going up, you begin to reap your investment. In fact, when you invest and the next 10 minutes you see your return on investment showing as reward. So I'm also going to leave the step by step rundown of how to do this investment in the description of this video. So do well to be part of it. Once more, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you'll be among the first to receive our videos whenever we upload contents like this. We'll always continue to upload content like this. We'll also continue to respond to subscribers and viewers' questions to our videos. Please share this video with loved ones, share with their family, share with colleagues and friends. We appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I believe you will take the necessary steps. Bye for now. We appreciate you.